Alright, so what's going on, guys? Hope you're all doing fantastic today. So, today, I just got in the Razer Viper Mini mouse. Haven't looked at it yet. I've only looked at a couple of the specs online. I haven't never felt one in person yet, so let's just see how it is. Let's see how it feels. Let's see how it is compared, because right now I have the glorious Model O mouse, and it's fantastic, but read a lot of really good things about it online, so we're just going to see how it is. So purely an unboxing stream for this mouse. It seems super small for what it is. I could be wrong. Is there anything else that it comes with? So right now, it just comes with a little booklet. Of course, you got your Razer sticker. This one's a black one. I like that one a lot. So it's got DPI stages are 400, 800, 1600, 3200, 6400. It's got an 8500 DPI optical sensor. That ain't bad. So, got the little mouse here. See how it is. The cord is still the flexible fabric cord, which is fantastic. The mouse itself, though, super duper light. Super duper light. So, let's pull her out of the plastic real quick. This thing has optical switches apparently, which I have the I have a Razer keyboard, so I know how those feel. So I'm really excited. It's extremely, it's mini. It's a mini mouse. Now compared to my hand feel, I feel like it feels. It's a tiny mouse compared to. You can see the size comparison in this. Like, that's butt to butt right there. So there's a significant difference if you have small hands. Or big hands, I mean. Now, for smaller hands, this mouse would be probably really, really nice. The grip feel on it is a little off. It does feel weird. It's really small, so it's really easy to hold in your hand. The clicking-wise, it does feel different. Feels a lot better. The mice button on the side of it are a lot more heavy duty, it feels like, compared to the glorious one. The glorious one, it's a lot more fragile in a way. You got the DPI button. The mouse wheel feels nice. I do like the padding on the bottom of it. All in all, it is a small mouse. It is very, very interesting to see how it'll work. Heard the sensor's fantastic in it. The DPI button, again, it's a great mouse, fantastic for the price. You get what you pay for. But in terms of size, it is a little on the smaller size if you do feel really comfortable with the Model O. Model O is just a beefier mouse. This is a really small mouse. Now, for sprawling your hand out on it, you will have a little bit of finger space that goes over the edge of the mouse. Now, if you're clawing it, it's fantastic. The buttons just feel really super responsive. If I'm right, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mouse button on it. There's 5 or 6, if I'm right, because you have the DPI button. If the DPI button counts as one, you have 6. If you don't, it's 5. 3, 4, 5, yeah. So it's, all in all, compared in weight as well, it's a little bit lighter in the actual mouse itself compared to the Model O. It's probably like a couple grams. You really can't feel the difference. It's just a super light mouse. It's small, it's compact, and you get what you pay for with it, really, honestly. Great mouse for what it is so far, and we'll just see how it feels in game. Alrighty, so we're here in Destiny, messing around with the mouse a little bit. Off the start, trying to grip this is a little weird. It's a little strange. Feels really, really small in the hand, but then again, the sensor feels insanely responsive. Like, I'm picking it up and trying to move it a little bit, and this is it not touching the mouse pad, so it's super responsive. That could be a benefit or a downfall, but we're going to see what happens with it. Now, I'm only playing on 800 DPI. It was set standard on 1600 if I'm correct, which is astronomical for this mouse with how light that it is. So, side buttons still, they feel extremely nice when you press them. They feel a lot better than the glorious mouse. Now, in regards to how well it feels when you're playing an FPS title like this. It feels nice. It feels like I have more control of the mouse because of the size that it is. And then again, if you do have big hands, it would feel really awkward in your hand. So, all in all, this will probably be my main gaming mouse for a while. It's not that the Glorious isn't good, but this mouse does feel a lot lighter. It feels a lot smoother when you use it. The buttons feel a lot more heavy duty, a lot more easily manageable, and yeah, overall, great mouse for $45 or $50 that it is. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys do like this video, please hit the like button to show that you guys do like these kind of videos. I'll do more in the future. I got a couple headsets and stuff we could do. You guys hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.